this acrylic color mixing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mix coral color with acrylic paint. Let's start with getting a bit of red on our palette and then mix in a tiny bit of white. And this is already lightening our red a tiny little bit. And now we are going to add a little bit of yellow, just a little bit. And let's see what we are getting there. And look what a vibrant coral color is coming out of this. Now, in order to make it even lighter, you can mix in a bit more of the white. So let's do that. Beautiful. And then you might want it to be even warmer. So you can simply add a little bit more of the yellow again. And then, if you want to change it even more, you can start adding red again. And this is actually how easy it is to mix a whole range of coral colors with just a few primary base colors. And if you enjoyed this little color mixing tutorial, please give it a thumbs up so that I know and can make more of them. Have a lovely day. Bye bye!